Live from the CNBC TV18 newsroom here in Mumbai. Well, it is the start of the last trading week of the year, but guess what? The bulls are really having a tough time. In fact, it was a complete bear attack today. The Nifty erased all of its 2016 gains. The Nifty even breached the Brexit day low of 79.30, which was a crucial support level for the index. That support level is now gone and the trend is firmly on the downside. Now, what spooked the market today really is the possibility of increased taxation in the budget. Remember, on Saturday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi did say that the equity markets need to be taxed some more. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley came out and clarified that no, there won't be long-term capital gains tax, but most market experts believe that some form of taxation on the other, whether it could be higher rate for short-term capital gains or even a higher sort of a holding timeline for some of these like long-term capital gains, etc. All of that could come through in this budget. Now, if that comes about, then it will definitely be a near-term negative for the market. We have seen also incrementally a lot of FII selling come into emerging markets. So there has been almost $4 billion of emerging market fund outflows in the last 1 week. From the start of December 21st. So it looks like it's quite a weak setup. In fact, mid-caps too were under quite a bit of pressure today. The mid-cap index got trashed down almost 2.5% and big selling coming in on individual stocks. In fact, talking about individual stocks, there were hardly any stocks in the green. You have losers in the form of Hindalco, Tata Steel, Cipla, Aurobindo Pharma, Lupin, Bank of Baroda, Yes Bank and SBI. And in the mid-cap space, you had Divi's Labs that has hit a new 52-week low. You have stocks like Bharat Financial Inclusion that are now down 35% this month. And you have stocks like EIL where there was significant amount of profit taking. Also, the market is also spooked about the clarifications that came out on the indirect transfer on Friday, the income tax clarifications where investors who hold more than 5% in offshore funds will get taxed both long-term and short-term capital gains incremental to the tax on the long-term fund itself. And if that comes through, if it is retrospective in nature, then there could be big problems for long-term foreign investors in India. So all in all, disappointing day, and definitely the taxation fears have spooked the market. On that note, thank you for watching, but do stay tuned in to CNBC TV 18 where you will get all the news and action through the day.